So what's the plan for today? Well, the plan, going to pick up something pretty cool for the Honda. I'm looking for not this specific one for a while, but you'll see what I mean. Okay, so right now we're gonna change the brakes on this 2015 Kia Sportage. Brakes in the box there. Finished up this side. Always takes way longer than expected, especially when you haven't worked on the car before. It's all about the same as others, but getting those pads in between these friggin' clips took so long. And then figuring out, like, had to take out the brake line holder and a couple extra stuff, but we'll go ahead and do all the other sides now. And I don't know if I'll film it all, so I'll probably just see you when I'm done. Alright, so we're just working on the back here and took everything off. I just wanted to point out, I have never seen this before. So the rear is discs. Here's the caliper. See? Disc brake. But underneath is drums. That totally threw me off. But it has drums just for the handbrake, I guess. But like my Civic, it just uses a cable to pull the caliper tight. I've never seen drum and disc. That's wild. And so we finished up the brakes on this. Brake-in procedure comes with it. Follow that, we'll go do that. Everything's on the ground and good. Got a pile of junk here. And everything is just starting on the lines here, you can see. So, I'd say that was perfect timing to replace all these pads. Nice. Alright, so we're going to be removing the instrument cluster that I already have in here. This is an SIR, but the previous owner had an EL cluster in it for whatever reason. I don't know. They're okay, but the red line, really not high enough. And SIR looks cool, but we got something else. So let's start by taking out these two screws, pull the bezel out, and then there's a couple more screws. Pull this out, super simple. Alright, so we got the cluster out. There's the stock cluster. Now let's go take a look at what I got. Alright, here it is. Custom one-off gauge cluster from an early thousands show car. EL cluster that was in there. One we're putting in, and it comes with, you can change the light color in the background as well as a dimmer on here. Just needs power and ground, so we're gonna set that up. And first though, we're gonna polish this up, make this look clean. I might just switch out this one onto it. Might be cleaner. Yeah. This all cleaned up. Nice shiny face on it. Come on, focus. There we go. Nice and clean. I love that it's just already it came from a car that was silver, so it's already color matched to the silver on this sweet SIR Honda. So let's see how that looks in there. Pretty excited. Beep. So there it is, all installed. I think it looks pretty slick, if it'll focus. Yeah, alright. Compared to the rest of the car, that's pretty cool. Can't wait to get started and drive it. We'll probably do the wiring another day. Because it lights up behind here, blue-green. I might add in the video of it working that I was sent. Just this car is in the garage for the winter. Nothing's hooked up. So, that's what you get for now. But, man, this just makes me want to drive this car even more.
Guacamole to the party, I'll say no, no. If you ask me bring the guacamole to the party, I'll say no, no, no. That shit's too expensive.